and welcome to Chef Carter's Cooking Corner. Today on Chef Carter's Cooking Corner, can you guess what we're gonna make? Well, if you guess pigs in a blanket, you're right. So, my mom, she has a taste for pigs in a blanket this week. So, that's what I'm gonna make for her. So, I'm gonna go ahead and open my hot dogs and put those over to the side. Woohoo! And then I'm going to open my crescent rolls. You can also use biscuits as well. So, okay, I hate opening these things because they make that sound. Okay, here we go. You ready, y'all? Okay, here goes. Ooh. Ah! It's not even that loud, but it always scares me. It always makes me jump. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and open this up and unroll these. Okay. And I'm experimenting with a little bit different angle. I hope this comes out, or we're not going to have a video for Sunday. So let me go ahead and put this to the side. And so I got a little cheese here, as you can see. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut a little bit out of the hot dog. And put the cheese inside. Okay. Whew. You don't want to accept the cheese. You're going to take the cheese. Okay. So the cheese is in there. And now what I'm going to do is roll the crescent roll around the hot dog. Okay. So there we go. Easy peasy, right? Alright, so there we go. I'm going to go ahead and put this over here on the baking pan and get the next crescent roll and the next hot dog. Kind of helps me line it up because I want to make sure the hot dog cheese is covered by the crescent roll so it doesn't melt out everywhere. Okay. Gotta kind of spread it, stuff it in there. All right. Looks like a pregnant hot dog. Hot dog's pregnant. Okay. Now that we have that done, we're gonna put him over here. Pregnant hot dogs. Alright. So you'll have to excuse me. I was at the maternity ward at the hospital. One of my friends was in there. Surprisingly, she wasn't having a baby. She was having other issues, but they had her in the maternity ward. Go figure. Strange, strange. But it was kind of cool because while we were there, we heard a baby being born. And it was so cute. We heard his first cries. So somebody gave birth to a beautiful baby today. All right. So let me go ahead and crack this one open. All right. Okay, so we got 3 more to do. I don't don't think I'm going to put cheese on everybody. Cheese is good, but I'm not like crazy about cheese. Believe me, I love cheese, but I can do with it and I can do without it. How about y'all? Okay. And the last one. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is I'm putting this in a 350-degree oven, and it should take roughly between 15 to 20 minutes to bake. All right. So let me go ahead. The cheese, I don't think I should eat this cheese, so I'm going to cut it up into little treats for a little special puppy. All right. So here we go. And we're going to be going into the oven for 15 to 20 minutes. All right? All right. So you may see that thing at the bottom. That actually catches any grease that drips down. Crazy thing is, I've tried to clean it, but those spots won't come out. So we have to get a new one so that looks better. But anyway, so there they are. They've been in there for about 7 minutes. They're looking good. Alright, so about 15 minutes have passed. Alright, so yep, they're looking brown. I think they need to get a little bit more brown there. But they're looking good. Hot dogs are sweating. Here we go, perfectly brown, beautiful hot dogs. So let me go ahead and get a spatula and get these off of here and plate it. Alright, so I didn't spray the pan, but usually things don't stick on here. So let me go ahead and get a couple of these off. So here we go. These are our pigs in a blanket. Yummy, yummy. Here's one that has the cheese inside of it. Right here. Alright, I really didn't pay attention to which ones had cheese and which ones did not. So I guess you're going to be the luck of the draw. Anyway, thank you for joining me on Chef Carter's Cooking Corner. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and get these off here before they get too cool. And then they're more likely to stick. But thank you for joining me for Chef Carter's Cooking Corner. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you for stopping by.